Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset this device. Okay, so we have two methods how we can reset this device, and let me show you both of them. So the first method, we just recommend when you have access to the phone, when the phone works normally. As you can see, everything is fine, it's responsive. It's simply through the settings. And the second option is through the recovery mode, and let me show you those options. So let's open up the settings first. It's gonna be the first method that I'm going to show you. Now scroll down into the bottom, find the general management, scroll down a little bit and click on reset. In here the phone wants us also to create a backup. If you don't know how to create such a backup, and if you want to create it, you can watch the video on our channel when I'm showing you how to do this. So if you want, you can simply look for it. Alright, and of course we are interested in factory data reset. That's the option that we are looking for. But although in here we can also reset all settings, mobile network settings, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, and reset accessibility settings. To do it, simply choose one of those options and click on this blue button. Alright, but we want to click on factory data reset. In here you can see what will be erased from your device. Basically it will be almost everything, including the accounts, your photos and that kind of stuff. Now simply scroll down into the bottom, click on that blue reset button, then follow the instruction on the screen. And if you do everything properly, your device will be turned off, then turned on again. And the next thing you need to do is to basically set up your device. Also, resetting is recommended, for example, when you're planning to sell your device to another person. Alright, so that's how you can do it through the settings. Now I'm going to show you how to use the recovery mode to reset this device. So first let's turn off our device. Let's hold the power button and the volume down button to launch the power menu. Now click on power off. Okay, and if you want to enter the recovery mode, you'll need a laptop or a PC. It can be with the Windows or Mac, it doesn't matter. And now we need to plug in our Samsung using the USB-C cable into our PC or laptop. So let me do it quickly. Plug your device. Okay, and when you have plugged in your device, you should see the charging icon. If you can see it, it's fine. That's the thing that we wanted to get. And now, to enter the recovery mode, we need to hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. So let's keep on holding both of those buttons. When the Samsung logo appears, we can release the finger from the power button, but just in case, let's keep on holding the volume up, just like that, and now we are in the recovery mode. To move around this menu, we use the volume keys. And to confirm the selected option, we use the power button. Now we want to select wipe data / factory reset. Now confirm by clicking the power button. I don't know why it's in Russian or Ukrainian, I don't know. But it doesn't matter. Select the option below. In here it's the reset button, and remember that in this method you will also lose all of your data. So now select confirm by clicking the power button. You can see below that wiping data process has finished, data wipe complete. Now select reboot system. Now click on the power button to confirm, and just like in the previous method, and now the device will be turned on automatically, and the next thing you need to do is to simply set up your device. Okay, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.